How to fix Tachiyomi HTTP Error 404. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is make sure manga is available. The Tachiyomi HTTP error 404 can be because the source you're trying to access is not available. So the first thing you want to do is cross-check the availability of manga you're trying to access. Also, verify if the source is active and if the manga has been removed. Next thing you want to do is restart the app. Sometimes this error appears due to bugs and glitches present in the app. If the source is active and manga is available but you're still facing the same problem, then you should try to restart the Tachiyomi app. Next thing you want to do is update the application. If you're using the outdated version of Tachiyomi app, then it must be the reason why you're encountering this issue, so make sure you have installed the latest version of the application. Next thing you want to do is try alternative extension. If you have tried all the other methods but you're still facing this issue, then consider using alternative extensions. Trying the different extensions will give you access to different manga sources. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.